Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? We have a special unboxing. This is an earphones from JBL Qunatum 50 it's called, and it's targeted for specifically for gamers, as you can see here. Let's take a look at this area over here. So it says wired in-ear gaming headset with volume slider and mic mute, so you can just by one click mute your mic. So as you can see here, we're actually promoting mobile, Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Mac, and VR. So that's really nice. And as you can see, it looks big actually. It's not like a typical headphones. I'm gonna check the quality of the wires as well. So yeah, it looks nice. The price is around 99 riyals from Jewelry Bookstore. In Saudi Arabia, that's around probably 30, maybe $35 around that. $30, 28 on that price. So just do the math. Just open up the box and see what we have. So yeah, there you go. So the good thing is that we have a wire that is very, very strong here. And we have spare parts for different size ears, and we have different big, small, and here as you can see. So let's take out headphones, earbuds, and they look, oh yeah, that's so sophisticated, man, so big. And it's very interesting if you're gonna wear this. Probably this is gonna be protruding outside from your ear, because we're gonna try to give it some sample wearing it, so see how it looks like. Now I like the wiring. It's very high quality. This is where you can actually do the call answer, and here's the mute. Where's the mute? This is mic mute. You can simply mute the mic by simply switching it to this and clicking. So that's really good. And we have a volume, a slider actually, so you can increase the volume and reduce the volume by moving the slider, which is really good. And this is probably answer and disable the call, and yeah, it's very interesting. So if this is if the volume is just a slider, how can you skip songs? I'm very interested to see how this thing work. Now one more thing is that the plug over here, as you can see, it's an orange, and it's actually twisted a little bit to the right. So basically, if you have the reason why it's actually done this, I mean, I'm not sure why they do it, to be honest with you. It's maybe because of the grip, but if you have a smartphone, I think it will be harder for you to navigate, or it's better to have something that is straightforward. Maybe because for computers, maybe, I'm not sure. You have to check out later. See. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm trying to wear these gaming earbuds and see how it actually fit. I'll give it a try. So this is the right side. As you can see here, it says right, and the other one is the left side. It says left. Okay, let's give it a try and see if they are actually fit right in. And I actually do sports, guys, so it should actually make sense if it's, and I hope so. All right, so I am actually wearing it right now, and I'm shading my face. It definitely isolates the sound from outside because of this rubber band. So this rubber band over here does isolate your sound, so your earbud will be plugged all over this area over here, and you need to be worried about the if there is some dirt or some other stuff, because this is rubber, and it's gonna probably something gonna a lot of things are gonna stick here, and you need to keep cleaning it from time to time. Every time you wear it, you have to clean it. I believe that. Now it looks okay. Probably I need to change the earbuds for better size. So what else we have here? Just booklets. Yeah, just booklets. That's it. that's about it. That's unboxing. Anyways, I'm gonna show you the review later on, guys, and please stay tuned. Subscribe, share, like. Check out the playlist on the wireless earbuds or wired earbuds or headphones. I'm gonna put it in the playlist, and probably gonna report back after I'm using it for quite a time. Thank you everybody for watching. Take care, and see you later. Beautiful cable.